I'm Mrs. Brunkhorst. I teach 7th grade math. And I also coach cross country for the middle school, so if you want to join, we're going to start practices after school once school starts. We've been practicing 6 to 7 in the mornings before it gets really hot. But if you want to join, make sure you have a physical and come see what it's all about. In my free time, besides running and coaching cross country, I like to read, cook, hang out with my family and friends, and that's about it.
Hey, 7th grade, it's Mrs. Coslet, 7th grade science. I am super excited for you guys to come back. I have missed teaching with students in the room. This summer I watched a lot of Hulu, right? Got into running 5Ks, which is just weird. And this year in science, just know that we are going to learn all kinds of cool things: kinetic energy, potential energy, ecosystems, Newton's laws. Come ready to work, can't wait to see you.
Guys, I'm Mr. Petty. I am one of the 7th grade teachers and I teach social studies here. And with our social studies, we learn about geography. We learn geography in 7th grade, and we go all around the world and learn about the history and the culture of different countries. And that's kind of how we go through our class.
Hello, my name is Lisa Oehrke, and I'll be teaching 7th grade science. I'm super excited to meet you guys, and we will be learning about how roller coasters and different things like that work, as well as how to take care of the environment. So I can't wait to see you guys. Bye.
Hey guys, I'm Mrs. Blumhorst. I'm one of the two ELA teachers. Fun fact about me, I love to ride 4-wheelers. Can't wait to see you guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my classroom. I'm Miss Welch. I am teaching 7th grade math. I will also be doing a 7th grade reading class later in the day, and it'll be a lot of fun. We're going to read Hunger Games, so that'll be a lot of fun for some of you, because we always get to watch the movie afterwards. Something I did this summer is I spent most of my time at the lake. I go to a small lake up north called Thomas Hill. Can't wait to share those wonderful stories with you. See you then.
Hi guys, my name is Dustin Blankenship, and I will be teaching 7th grade social studies. We'll be having a focus on geography. A little bit about myself: I'm a huge nerd, so when you walk in my classroom come Wednesday, you're going to see a lot of Marvel posters and just different things. That's going to make it a really welcoming environment, and we're going to have a lot of fun this year. Looking forward to seeing you guys.
Hi Beaker, hope everyone is doing well. My name is Mrs. Claire, and I teach 7th grade ELA. Well, I'm excited to see everyone on Wednesday. Some facts about me: I went ziplining this summer, 200 feet above ground. I just couldn't believe it. It was in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So that's one fun fact about me. I'm looking forward to learn more about you.